In this video, we will be learning about decision making using if else and comparison operators in Python. What is decision making? We can use if else whenever we need to decide the course of action based on conditions. There can be a condition like you have to take two numbers and then decide which number is larger. So you have to decide, you have to take a decision. So in this case we can use if else. So you are confused. So let's see practically how it works. I started Python and then I will create file, new file. Then here I will type the commands. So I have typed a equals to int input, enter first number, b equals to int input, enter second number. Now I have to decide which number is larger, a or b. So I will write if space a greater than, it is a comparison operator, b. So this is a condition. If a greater than b, then we have to use a colon. This is syntax of Python. Then we press enter. So as you press enter, it is automatically indented to right side 4 spaces. So this is a default indentation in Python, means the statements will be inside if. So now if the condition is true, we will have to type print first. So I have typed if a greater than b, print first number is greater than second number. Now if the condition is false, so for that, if indentation with if, else, again a colon, then print if a greater than b, colon, on next line the condition, if the condition is true, print first number is greater than second number, else if the condition gets false, if a is not greater than b, the block will be executed of else block. So else block will print second number is greater than first number. Let's check this code. Save the file. If else, and then run the file. Enter first number. So this is 20. Enter second number, 10. First number is greater than second number because the condition got true. Okay. We again execute the file. File open. If else .py. We run it again. And this time first number is 10 and second number is 20. Look, second number is greater than first number. When I executed the program first time, the first number was greater than the if was true. The coding, if we see, if a greater than b, first number is greater than second number, and if it gets false, the else block will be executed, second number is greater than the first number. Now let's learn about various comparison operators available in Python. So I used greater than operator here. Suppose if I wanted to check whether a is greater than and equal also, so I can use greater than equal to b. If a will be greater than or it will be equal to b, the message will be first number is greater than or equal to second number, else the second number is greater than first number. Or I can use if a less than equals to b. So when a will be either less or equal to b, the if block will be executed. I can use if a double equal b. Double equal operator is used when we want to compare a and b. If a and b are equal, then I can compare using double equal symbol. So then I can print a and b are equal. A and B are equal, and for else I will print A and B are not equal. So if I run this file, let's execute this. Enter first number, that is 10, enter second number, that is also 10. A and B are equal. If I run this file again, enter first number, that is 10, enter second number, that is 6, and we are not equal. So we can use double equal for comparison. We have another, the reverse of double equal is not equals to. If A not equals to B, then we can have A and B are not equal, and else A and B are equal. So let's check it. First number is 10, second number is 20, and we are not equal. First number is 10, second number is also 10, and we are equal. So this time I used not equals to operator. So we have greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal. So these are all comparison operators available in Python. So in this video we have learned about comparison operators and if else. In another video we will be learning more about if. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.